Want glowing, healthy skin without harsh chemicals? Let's make a 100% natural face wash powder that works for all skin types. Gentle, effective, and so easy to use. Here's what you'll need. 3 tablespoons ground oatmeal, calming and gentle on the skin. 2 tablespoons chickpea flour, absorbs oil and brightens. 2 tablespoons kaolin clay, detoxes without drying. 1 tablespoon rose petal powder, adds a glow and lovely scent. 1 teaspoon licorice root powder, great for pigmentation. A pinch of turmeric for its antibacterial magic. 1 teaspoon of either neem or lavender powder, perfect for acne-prone or sensitive skin. And 1 teaspoon of aloe vera powder to keep skin hydrated. Mix all the powders in a clean, dry bowl. Make sure everything blends evenly. Store your powder in an airtight container away from moisture. This blend can last for several weeks. To use, take about half a teaspoon. Add water, rose water, or milk and gently massage onto your face in circular motions. Use 3 to 5 times a week. Rinse with lukewarm water. This face wash powder gently exfoliates, cleanses, and nourishes your skin, all without stripping away natural oils. Say goodbye to harsh cleansers and hello to nature-powered skincare. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know if you'd like more DIY recipes.